Namaste and good morning. Happy Saturday. So today we're gonna start our practice with pranayama or breathing exercises. So today's breathing exercise is Kapalabhati. Kapala means head or skull, Bhati means glow. This is one of the very powerful breathing exercise in yoga. Good for your stomach and good for your brain. I will put more benefit of this exercise in the description of the video. So let's come to a comfortable sitting posture, either crisscross leg or half lotus or maybe full lotus if you have a practice. Sit tall, hands can be on your knees or you can put one hand on the stomach. You can also try this on the chair. Our focus gonna be on the exhale. So forceful exhale, inhale will come normally or automatically. So let's try this and then we're gonna do it for a couple of rounds. So sit tall. Start like this. Stomach in, exhale to the nostril. Mouth is closed like this. And once you get the rhythm, so you are trying to make a connection. Stomach in, exhale. Stomach in, exhale. And now let's try this for 10 counts. And in the next round, we're gonna try to make it a little bit harder. So in this one, we're gonna hold the breath, hold our stomach in and lock the breath. So like this. When you're ending the cycle, you're gonna be hold the breath. And then you're coming, inhale and coming back. So try this breathing exercise every day and you will feel a huge difference how you deal with everything in your daily life. So that's all for today. And if you look at my t-shirt, this is the organizer called Vivha. This is very close to my heart. So if you are available for volunteering or any way, support them. This is for a great cause. We make a positive difference in the life of underprivileged children. So that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching this video. Namaste.